day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Now that we are done with the pairing of the Z85 Max to the RDfit application, it's time to explore one of the main features of the Z85 Max Smartwatch, and that is the watch face section or the dial section. So here, as you can see, it's already preloaded with several watch faces. So let's check, let's count. We have 1, 2, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. We have at least 5 here, I think. Okay, so we have at least 5 beautiful watch faces, and as you can see here, we do have a borderless bezel. Okay, so the black border that you usually see on the watch face is very slim. It's almost non-existent. And we do have a beautiful watch face here, a combination of analog and digital watch faces. For example, this one, as you can see, we do have the digital and we have an analog. Okay, if you want additional watch face for this wearable, we can download another watch face from the support app RDfit. So let's try and download the watch face for this smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the support app, the RDfit application available on Android and of course iOS platform. So here on the bottom part, homepage, device, and my. Tap on the device. Then we have here the watch face market. Tap on more section. So we have here several watch faces for our smartwatch. So we have pointer, digit, and customize. Customize is the custom watch face or what they call wallpaper, but that is a watch face. Pointer, so let's check on the pointer here. Let's see the collection. I guess it's all free here. Okay, some of the apps for smartwatches, okay, most of the watch face collection is not for free. You have to buy it. With the RDfit, as you can see here, it's all free. So that's a good thing for our Z85 Max Smartwatch. And we do have a very good list of watch faces, a comprehensive list of watch faces for the Z85 Max. Okay, so there's a lot of watch faces available. Okay, seems like an endless collection of watch faces for our RDfit here. So a lot of combinations for our pointer. Let's see. Okay, so I guess it's more than 50 here. Okay, maybe 100, I think. So okay, so there's a lot of collections here. Very good for the RDfit. Okay, so that's it. For the digit, I like this one. Okay, this is very cute. We'll download this. So there's a lot of watch faces or also for the digit. Okay, so let's scroll down. So very comprehensive list also for the digit section. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, very good list so far for the customize. So we have the dial style, digital style, health function. You can also add other functionalities. That's good. Going back to the pointer, I mean digit, let's download an example here. Let's try this one. Tap on the smartwatch or the watch face. So free, installing the dial. Okay, let's wait for it. Now our smartwatch switch to download mode. So let's wait. 29%, 32%. Hopefully we'll have a successful download. So we have here a progress bar. And that's it. We have our new digital watch face for the Z85 Max Smartwatch. Nice. Okay, let's have another one. Let's add a pointer dial. Or let's download the pointer dial. Okay, let's look for a unique style. How about this one? Tap on it, installing the dial, and now our smartwatch switch to download mode, and we have our pointer with a combination of digital dial. Nice. Okay, so far no issues at all. Let's go to the customize. So let's change background. Take a photo or album. Let's pick album. Okay, permission. Next, we'll allow to access our photos and media. Album. Let's pick a watch face here. So we'll pick this one. One of our favorite. So this is our background. Check. As you can see here, there's also a collection. Again, let's pick. Okay, when we select this one and check, we still have additional background here, as you can see. So text, you can edit the text, the color. Okay, you can add your own. Let's see. My watch face. Nice. Okay, so let's try this one. Then let's pick color. Can we move this? Let's change the font. Okay. I don't know if we can change this again. Let's remove. Customize, change background again. I'm interested to see the text here. It is our first time to see this feature on a watch face or custom watch face. Where's dial? Oops. Again, let's go back. Then, okay. The problem is I cannot move the dial here. I will scribble. Okay, let's just check. So we have the text here, but I cannot move it. Okay, I'm going to experiment on this on the next video. Okay, you can only add one functionality here. Let's add a step counter. Color. Change. No, not that color. Okay, this one. Then that's it. I guess that's it. Then let's see, save. Installing the dial. Let's tap on it. So let's see if we'll have a successful download of a custom watch face. And it's now downloading. Let's wait for it. 27%, 36, 44. In just a few seconds, we'll have our own custom watch face. I think the only issue is that we cannot move the text there. We'll see. I'm going to check it out later on. And we have here our custom watch face, as you can see. Very good so far. As you can see, there's a lot of options for customization with a custom watch face or custom wallpaper, as they say. Okay, so let's see if we still have the previous watch face. Okay, so seems like you can only add one watch face at a time. The previous watch faces here is fixed. You cannot delete it. You can only add one watch face. Okay, our previous downloaded watch face is gone. As you can see, we only have here the custom watch face. So that's it for the tutorial and the list of watch faces for our Z85 Max Smartwatch. If you find this video useful, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!